Today's video takes you into the world of incredible machines. Join us on this journey, witnessing expert operation skills and thrilling challenges. Oh no! The giant timber truck moves slowly, suddenly losing its balance. Dust and smoke rise as the wheels keep turning, as if the truck refuses to admit defeat. Absolutely spectacular! The high-powered chainsaw roars, its engine echoing throughout the forest, blending with the wind whistling through the treetops. Cracking sounds resound, slow and majestic, then the entire tree leans and crashes down with a thunderous thud against the ground. Wow! The worker stands before the massive tree, holding a powerful steel chainsaw, ready for a masterful display of skill and precision. With seasoned hands, the worker maneuvers the machine like a true artist, each cut sharp, strong, and executed with complete safety. Oh my gosh! The Moorbark HT1684 Predator appears like a giant steel beast, roaring across the timber yard with unbelievable power. Its engine thunders, the grinding blades spin at incredible speed, slicing through massive tree stumps in mere seconds. Even the hardest logs, seemingly unbreakable, are crushed effortlessly into tiny fragments. This man's 6x6 timber truck is truly a symbol of power and durability. Its engine roars with immense force, transmitting energy to the six-wheel drive system, allowing the vehicle to conquer even the most challenging terrain without hesitation. Each massive wheel grips the ground firmly, rolling smoothly over mud, gravel, and steep slopes with astonishing ease. The massive excavator stands tall, its engine roaring like thunder, ready to tackle the huge tree stump embedded deep in the ground. Its steel arm extends, and the enormous bucket plunges into the earth with tremendous force, digging through thick layers of soil. With just a few precise swings of the arm, the giant stump begins to shake, and roots as thick as forearms snap like dry branches. The Tigercat X822D appears in the forest like a massive steel warrior, roaring loudly as it begins its work. The sharp saw blade twists deep into the giant tree trunk, sending wood chips flying like streaks of pure energy. In just a few seconds, the colossal ancient tree is felled, divided into perfectly uniform logs, ready for transport. Oh my gosh! The Albach Diamond 2000 machine appears like a true beast in the world of heavy forestry. Massive tree trunks, seemingly impenetrable, are swallowed whole by the grinding chamber in just a few seconds. Amid the white expanse of the snowy forest, the John Deere combine stands tall like a tireless steel warrior. Its engine roars through the icy air, massive wheels crushing thick layers of snow as it advances toward giant tree trunks. The sharp cutting blades spin furiously, slicing through the hard, ice-like wood, each cut executed with astonishing precision and decisiveness. Absolutely spectacular. The old Snowcat, equipped with a 130 horsepower 6-cylinder Magirus engine, roars powerfully across the vast white snow. Despite carrying over 41,000 pounds of timber, the machine moves steadily, with strength and complete confidence. Its tracks grip firmly into the snow, effortlessly pulling massive logs that slide smoothly as if weightless. The gigantic Oshkosh truck struggles to climb the challenging slope, but the immense weight of its cargo slows it down, and then it starts rolling backward. The tires dig fiercely into the road, and the engine roars violently like a beast fighting to regain its balance. The Kamaz 6x6 appears like a true steel beast, ready to conquer any treacherous terrain. Equipped with a powerful UMZ 238 turbocharged engine, it easily hauls tens of tons of timber while maintaining astonishing stability. Each wheel turns slowly but firmly, crushing the mud beneath as if nothing could stand in its way. The Vermeer WC2500XL appears like a true steel monster, ready to devour every massive log in its path. The engine roars with immense power, and in just a few seconds, tree trunks as thick as a person's arm are ground into fine wood chips. The internal blades spin at incredible speed, flinging tiny wood fragments like flying snow, piling up behind the machine. The Tigercat 870C Feller Buncher appears like a steel monster deep in the forest, operating powerfully with its 330 horsepower engine roaring with authority. In just a few seconds, the giant trees fall neatly, lined up in perfect rows, leaving behind the machine an unbelievably tidy scene. Truly spectacular. The Ursa C360C 4011 roars through the Merlot forest. Its 50-plus horsepower engine thunders powerfully, sending mud flying with every wheel rotation. Behind it, the heavily loaded timber truck follows, dragged along the muddy path. Bit by bit, it inches forward, overcoming every obstacle with relentless power and exceptional traction.
Pemuatan kayu agak jumbo.
Unbelievable. Gigantic logs are being loaded onto the truck. The harvesting machine operates at full power, lifting each massive trunk that seems impossible to move. Every log placed onto the truck bed sends out a deep, resonant thud. The enormous truck strains under the weight, its steel frame vibrating, wheels tilting slightly under the overload. In the silent forest, the engine roar of the Nisula 555C echoes like the growl of a massive steel beast. The machine moves smoothly on its powerful Volvo 145 chassis, navigating rugged and challenging terrain. Its hydraulic arm stretches with precision, gripping towering tree trunks, and in just a few seconds, the entire cut-debark-collect process is completed with absolute accuracy. It's incredible to witness the power of the Samokhvalov wood splitter in action. Each piece of wood is separated neatly and evenly, without a single error. The machine operates with astonishing precision, transforming the arduous work of humans into a fast, smooth, and efficient process. The operator only needs a light touch, and the rest is a flawless display of technology. This operator is truly a master at handling the old yet powerful EMD GP38 locomotive. The engine roars through the mountains, each steel wheel gripping the tracks, pulling an entire train of massive wooden cars weighing hundreds of tons. Despite many years, it still demonstrates enduring strength and timeless power, a living symbol of the timber transport industry. The self-propelled machine starts operating, its saw blades spinning at dizzying speed, crushing every remaining dry tree stump on the ground. Each strike is powerful and precise, sending wood fragments flying in all directions like falling snow. The machine not only handles the dry stumps but also crushes the soil and rocks in the area, leaving the site clean and ready for the next task. The Moorbark 640 Debarca starts operating, its engine roaring powerfully throughout the sawmill. Thick, tough bark is quickly removed, each rotation of the machine executed with astonishing precision. Every log that passes through the Moorbark 640 comes out perfect, clean, and ready for the next stage. The crane starts operating, rotating smoothly to lift each heavy log from the dump truck onto the logging truck bed. Each log is lifted with ease, showing no signs of slipping or shaking, demonstrating the machine's superior strength. Oh no! The excavator gets stuck in the muddy swamp, yet its over 200 horsepower engine roars with full power. The hydraulic arm lowers, pressing firmly into the ground, creating a solid anchor for the entire machine. Without any external help, the machine conquers the difficult terrain on its own, proving its incredible strength and durability. Spectacular! The HSM 405H2L roars to life, its over 200 horsepower engine echoing powerfully through the mountain forest. The slope-ready machine climbs the rugged mountainside, its wheels gripping the ground, conquering each rough patch decisively. The HSM 405H2L not only demonstrates superior strength but also proves efficiency and reliability in the harsh mountain forest environment. The Komatsu 931, equipped with the Komatsu C144 cutting head, charges into the forest like a true beast. Its engine roars, the hydraulic arm extends, and the rotating saw slices through each tree with pinpoint precision. Every cut showcases extraordinary power, impressive speed, and absolute accuracy, transforming the arduous task of logging into an incredibly efficient process. The Komatsu 931 proves it can replace dozens of workers, operating continuously without fatigue, demonstrating exceptional mechanical strength and endurance. The LKT-81 turbo roars through the dense forest, ready to conquer every massive log in its path. Its 160 horsepower engine powers the wheels forcefully, pulling each 6.64-inch poplar log as if nothing can stand in its way. With flexible operation, impressive pulling power, and absolute stability, the machine confidently tackles the challenging jungle terrain. The Timber Pro TL 755D West Coast Edition roars across the steep slopes of the West Coast, showcasing its superior power with a 300 horsepower engine. The machine tackles its work, felling each massive tree with precision and formidable force. Its rigging and winch system help maintain perfect balance, ensuring safety even on the most treacherous terrain. Oh no! Amid the rushing waters, the Komatsu PC200 struggles but does not yield, its engine roaring with immense power. The resilient machine pushes forward, fighting against the strong currents and slippery riverbed beneath it. An entire old building is no match for the Cat 349E from AF Decom. With over 400 horsepower roaring, the machine charges forward like an unstoppable beast. The bucket strikes with immense force, breaking apart concrete slabs and steel structures with precise and powerful movements. A massive steel monster roars as it navigates a tight U-shaped turn, demanding precise and delicate handling skills. Each wheel rotation is carefully calculated to ensure the multi-thousand-pound machine stays perfectly on course. The massive Cat 793F dump truck is stuck in the quarry, its wheels sunk deep in the mud, creating a huge challenge for the machine. Another Cat vehicle approaches, pulling powerfully, step by step helping the giant escape the muddy trap. The skilled driver adjusts speed and pulling force precisely, ensuring complete safety for both machines. The Caterpillar D11N advances, its massive engine roaring, tearing through layers of soil and rock with tremendous force. The heavy dozer blade crushes every obstacle in its path, showcasing the extraordinary power of this heavy-duty machine. On the enormous coal and iron mining site, the D11N operates tirelessly, proving its ability to move and extract materials with maximum efficiency. The rescue operation begins immediately as the Chetra bulldozer and Komatsu excavator roar powerfully onto the scene. The engines of both machines operate at full capacity, every push and pull calculated precisely to ensure safety. The T130 bulldozer, stuck in a massive mud pit, is slowly pulled out, meter by meter, showcasing perfect coordination between raw power and operator skill. The tracks crush the earth, hydraulic arms lower with precision, creating a dramatic yet spectacular rescue operation. The mighty Big Willie crane appears, its massive 1,200 horsepower engine roaring across the dock. The machine lifts an enormous load of up to 220,462 pounds with ease, each movement calculated with precision. The crane arm extends, hooks firmly onto the giant ship, and slowly lifts it from the water, leaving all onlookers in awe. The T170 KTP 6.3 roars through the icy landscape, its diesel engine of over 150 horsepower shaking the ground with every start. The powerful machine moves forward, ready to haul heavy loads despite the biting cold. Its wheels dig into the ground, leaving deep tracks that showcase the T170 KTP 6.3's ability to conquer any challenge.